was taking apart, or I was about to throw this little guy out. Changed the batteries, wasn't working, so typical plastic toy. But for fun, I decided to open it up, and see what was inside. I wasn't expecting much, but surprisingly, look at that, an actual toy with some stuff inside. Quite a bit of cable. A little board here. Let's see if it's anything special. Shouldn't take too long. Yeah, I was very surprised at this. That's why I made a video of it. You never know when scrapping. Should pretty much open up everything because you really never know. So we have this little green board here, and you know what? It might actually be considered a peripheral board. I know on board sort. After talking to a few people, green boards like this that have some stuff on it, and even some actual gold. You actually put gold in this kid's toy. Very surprising. So you have some brown crappy board, some wires, obviously little screws for metal. If I'm lucky, I might have maybe 10 cents, 20 cents, not sure. I'm not gonna bother weighing everything and making like a price list or anything like that, but there's some value. So when your kids' toys break, or even if you find them in the scrap, little gadget like this with buttons and whatnot might be worth it. Yep. Little peripheral board, some wire, pretty cool. So if you guys have any comments, comment on the bottom. If you have any suggestions, that'd be great too. Like and subscribe, that would be wonderful. And hopefully I'll be making another video soon, and also gonna try to figure out how to put my face on YouTube this time. Don't have too much time, so I just placed the camera here where you guys could see what's happening, and that's it. So like, subscribe, comment.